Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove LinkedIn connections. Whether you're cleaning up your professional network or simply parting ways with contacts that no longer align with your career goals, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your LinkedIn account to access your profile and network settings. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. Now direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll see several options. Click on My Network. This section is your hub for managing all your professional connections, viewing invitations, and exploring suggested contacts you might want to add. Once the My Network page loads, shift your focus to the left sidebar. Here you'll notice a section labeled Network Overview. This area gives you a quick snapshot of your connection statistics and provides easy access to manage different aspects of your network. Within this sidebar, click on Connections. This will display a complete list of all the people you're currently connected with on LinkedIn. You can scroll through this list to find specific individuals or use the search function if you have a large number of connections. Now comes the important part. Locate the connection you want to remove from your network. Once you've found them, look to the right of their name where you'll see 3 dots. These dots represent a menu with additional options for managing that specific connection. Click on these 3 dots to reveal the available actions. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Remove Connection. LinkedIn designed this option to be straightforward, allowing you to disconnect from someone without sending them a notification. This means the person won't be directly alerted that you've removed them from your network, maintaining professionalism and avoiding any potential awkwardness. And that's it. You've successfully removed a connection from your LinkedIn network. This simple process helps you maintain a relevant and meaningful professional network that truly reflects your current career path and business relationships. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.